There are two operations: modify override beta and modify default beta. When you don't have a value and you want to overwrite a null value or a blank value, that time you will say modify default beta. But when you already have a value, still you want to overwrite, you want to modify that value, that time you will use modify override beta. So type conversion is one of that task where you have a value but you just want to change a type of a value. Here is an example of type conversion of modify override beta. Under my input there are name, rating, active and national ID. Name is string. I just want to lower it. I would just want to change a case, lower case. So I will select operation modify override beta because my value is already there. Then I will imitate my structure data, name and name. And as you know, in Excel you provide a equal to and then provide a formula. Similar way, if you want to provide any function, here you will provide equal to and a function name, what you want to do with that particular value. So I'm saying to lower, that means I want to change a case of this text JSON into lowercase. So because of this modify override beta, the name value this will be converted into lowercase and output will contain lowercase JSON. Same way you have a multiple different functions, like you can convert string into integer. 3.0 string is converted into 3 because it is integer, so it is rounded off. Active true, this is string value true, you want to convert it into a boolean, so I said true boolean, so it become true, a boolean value. This is my national ID, this is number, but I want to convert it into a string, so I can say toString. ToString will change it into string.